just a little snapshot of this week of pet care, and we are out with gorgeous little Hazel here today.
Where's the ball? Where's it? Hazel. Hazel, come on.
We did like a little detour though on the way. My son had his car break down, so me and Hazel just stopped in just quickly. And now just heading to this little area here in Caloundra. It's such a nice spot here too, and she really enjoyed the different scenery here also. Such a beautiful day here this Monday was. Another day, and it's a Wednesday, and we're back out at the beach again, and such a lovely winter's day again here.
We missed it.
It's got some really great walking spots here too, and she really enjoyed this also. And then also this day, just heading out with gorgeous little Florence. We took her to the beach. And this time I'm with Juanita as well. And she's meeting her little friend here. And it was such a nice day here also in the afternoon.
I just want to pick it up.
Now just heading out quickly with my little two, just for a quick walk. Another day, and I'm going to the bush this time with little Hazel, and she likes it here too. It was such a nice day here also. All finished our walk and just now heading into Petbarn to get Hazel all washed. She's all excited because she wants a treat here. So we're just waiting for our token. You get a token for like $10. And we're just waiting now for the baths to be free because there's 2 baths in there. And now they're all free, where she's just about to going for a wash. So there's like these 2 bath stations here. And I think she secretly does enjoy this. I mean, she's looking like she's a little bit, I don't know about this, but I think she does like it. And it's warm water, and she looks really relaxed at the end of it too. So as you can see, the 2 bath stations here, and it usually costs about $10 to $11. I get a token. I can usually do it in $10. And then at the end though, you do have to include in the rinse of the stations as well, the disinfecting it. And she's just getting blow dried here. And then she's all ready to go. She's all clean and yeah, ready to head home again. Now out walking my 2 again, just for their quick little walk. And this is Sunday, heading out with gorgeous little Florence. And I'm with my son today, which was really nice. I loved having his company with me. Doesn't usually come, so it was really nice. And Florence was really excited to see him too. She hasn't seen him in a little bit. And she really enjoyed this day. It was so packed. It was a winter stay, but it was very busy and people going for a swim. And yeah, such a nice day. Yeah, my son usually isn't here because he's busy working on his cars and stuff, so it was nice to have him here. Yeah, even if it was just for one day. Now heading into the wash station. I love this one particularly because of the hose too that they have. It's really easy to get to, well, it should be easy to get to her feet and everything, just with the sand and everything, to get rid of the sand. It also has like this little drinking thing that they can have a drink there as well. But yeah, super handy with the hose to direct the water and just wash yeah, her down and her feet.
Do you want a shake?
And now just heading back home again with gorgeous little Florence to take her home. And then I'm out with my 2 again, and yeah, just going for our little walk. And this is just like, yeah, the summary, the snapshot of my week of pets and pet care.